The decomposed body of a minor boy who had been missing since May last year has been recovered in Manipur's Chandel district. The highly decomposed body has been identified as that of 17-year-old Ngangom Nevi, who had been missing since May last year when the violence broke out in the state. As per sources, the body was found at Sokom village under Chandel district after combined search operations of Sugnu police, central forces, forensic local people and family members of the victim that started from 11:10 a.m. today. The corpse was later brought to the morgue at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings in Imphal. The victim, who hails from Sugnu Awang Mandoplekai, had gone missing since May 28 last year. He had gone missing when armed miscreants attacked some villages in Seru and Sugnu. The family members had filed a missing report on May 31st last year at the Sugnu police stations and later lodged an FIR on July 31st, 2023 also. Earlier, such operations were carried out several times, however, the body could not be traced for such a long period. Assumed dead, the family member had even performed the victim's last rites using a pangong tree plant as a symbolic representation of the dead body following customary practice. But the matter roused again when yesterday a video that showed a man being brutally killed reportedly got viral on social media. Seeing that viral video, the family member again reported to the Sugnu police station. Following the complaint report, such operation was carried out today from 11:10 a.m. onwards in the presence of a forensic team, central forces, victims, family members and local people. Based on a viral video, the search operation was carried out in all the suspected areas and finally the decomposed body of Ngangom Nevi was found at Sakom village under Chandel district.